All right, I'm going to give you a little update about what's been going on um, and how everything's turning out for now. So, let me turn the camera around and show you what's going on. All right, so I had to do a little Bondo work, and so here's the back of the helmet. I wanted to take and basically flesh up the seams and smooth it out. Also, flattened off the bottom of the ear caps, and I did some Bondo work on the edges of it. I know it's very rough, but that's what's going on right now. Right in here is a magnet. Some of the ceramic disc magnets. I got some of these. I think I got them at Walmart. I don't even remember where I got them. No, I got these at Hobby Lobby, I think. I don't even remember. But there is a magnet right there that I bondoed over. And, oops, put that over there. And one on the other side over here. As you can see here, you can actually see it there in the visor. There is one there. And the hole was ever so slightly bigger than the magnet. And so I bondoed it so that when I have it on and I rotate it up, it'll stay up like I want it to. But that's currently the progress I got going on right now. And I did have this. This is the outer ear cap for this side here. And so once all the Bondo dries and I sand it and smooth it down, I will be attaching this piece here, which is the outside cap for this piece here. And this here, this actually fits in here like this, and the visor hole here is on the outside of here, so when it fits in here, this actually will be pushed in, and the hole for the rangefinder will rotate on this dowel rod. Now I had to sand it down and then basically screw it in to take and get it to hold. And this here actually will be attached like that. So, and then of course I will be attaching a magnet right here and in there, and I have to put the little calibration track on here. So that's my currently what's going on. Just to give you an update. But there we go. And then once I got ear caps done, the rangefinder on, the macro binoculars attached, once all that's done, then I can actually work on the antenna. So I was actually thinking about attaching the antenna back here. Now I'm thinking I should have the antenna attachment here. So basically building another one of these that attaches here, the same thing, but the antenna doesn't move. I think that's what I'm going to do. But there you go. So I'm going to have to build another set of these to actually go on here. And as you can tell, that's like 4 sheets of the plastic in there. The plastic card. Alright. Well, there's your update for right now.